Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give a general overview on exactly what PayPal is and how it works. So essentially, what PayPal functions as is a mediator between a buyer and online sellers and merchants. So essentially, when you create a PayPal account, you have a lot of different options to pay the seller and merchants of the products and services that you buy online, whether you want to pay through PayPal using your checking account, bank account, or your credit card, your debit card, or funds that you might just have in a PayPal cash account. So if you're interested in signing up for a PayPal account, I'll have a tutorial video on how to do just that linked down in the video description if you want to check that out. I'm over at paypal.com. I'm going to log in to my PayPal account to give you a little bit more information on how everything looks inside of a PayPal account. So as soon as I log into my PayPal account, I have my PayPal cash balance right here, which is just essentially money that I have transferred in to my PayPal account that I can use to make purchases online through PayPal. But you can also link banks and cards. As you can see here, I have my checking account linked, I have my credit card linked, as well as my debit card. So whenever I'm making a purchase online through PayPal, I can either use my PayPal balance, or I can use my checking account, I can use my credit card, or I can use my debit card, and then you're going to have your recent purchase activity right here. And another great thing about PayPal is they act as an intermediary between the buyer and the seller. So if you have an issue with the product or service that you bought, then you can head on over to the Resolution Center. I'll show you what that looks like. So we have the Resolution Center here. You can report a problem with a particular purchase that you had, give PayPal the information that they need so that they can decide whether you're in the right or the wrong in that instance. But it's kind of nice to have an added layer of security between yourself and online sellers, where if you get scammed or there's an issue with the product or service that you bought, you can go to the Resolution Center in PayPal to try to get your money back. And another great thing about PayPal is sending or requesting money from friends and family. It's a really easy way to transfer funds between yourself and people that you know if they need cash. So we're going to go over to the Send and Request tab, and you have the option to either send money to an individual or request it. And it's as simple as either entering their name, their username, their PayPal email, or mobile number right in this area, and it should show up with the individual's PayPal account that you want to transfer the funds to. And then to wrap things up, I'm just going to go over to my PayPal wallet here. And in the wallet area, this is where you have full control over all of the different options that you have to pay for things through PayPal. You can link your debit or credit card. You can link a bank account. All of your different payment methods that you have linked to your PayPal account are going to be listed right in this area, and you can click on them for more information. And you can also set a preferred payment method. So whenever you're purchasing through PayPal, whatever your preferred option is, that's where PayPal is going to pay with first. So that could be your balance, it could be your checking account, it could be your credit card, it could be your debit card, whatever you're interested in having set as your preferred payment method. But you should also have the additional option to switch it to other payment methods if you don't want to use your preferred option on a particular purchase. So I hope this general overview on what exactly PayPal is and how it works was helpful in some way. And again, guys, if you need help in signing up for a PayPal account, I have a tutorial video on how to do just that. I'll have it linked down in the video description if you want to check that out. So I appreciate you stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.